Computer Security by Duncan Hall. 3 Protections of Information. When trying to protect information, you must make sure that your solution follows the 3 guidelines. Confidentiality ensures that only authorized parties can view the information and prevents the disclosure to others. Integrity ensures the information is correct and has not been tampered with by unauthorized persons or malicious software. Availability ensures that data is accessible when needed to authorized users. Difficulties in defending against attacks. Universally connected devices. Increased speed of attacks. Greater sophistication of attacks. Availability and simplicity of attack tools. Faster detection of vulnerabilities. Delays in security updating. Weak security update distribution. Distributed attacks. User confusion. What are the different kinds of attackers? Script kiddies, people that use downloaded automated software. Spies, someone who breaks in a computer and steals info without leaving a trace. Insiders, when someone from inside the organization attacks the organization. Cyber terrorists, people that usually perform a huge attack on a nation's network to cause panic. Hacktivists, these people attack a specific website, usually in retaliation. Government agencies, nations will often attack each other through the internet. Some information terms. Asset, item that has value. X. Employee database. Threat, action that has the potential to cause harm. X. Data can be stolen. Threat agent, person or element with the power to carry out a threat. X. Hacker. Vulnerability, flaw that allows an attacker to bypass security. X. Software defect. Exploit, how the vulnerability can be taken advantage of. X. Virus sent to unprotected email server. Risk, the likelihood that a threat agent will exploit the vulnerability. X. Data will be stolen. How does an attack work? Attackers will often impersonate people from organizations or employees from your company to get information. Step 1. The threat agent will often check the object he or she is about to attack, check for vulnerabilities, trying to find the easiest way in. They will try to avoid the firewalls, and try to bypass them. Step 2. If they can't find an easy way in, they might turn to social engineering by contacting employees or executives for information. Passwords and usernames usually. Step 3. The attacker will then use the information he or she has gathered to exploit the vulnerability, gaining entry. Step 4. Attacker will try to steal data and deal additional damage towards your productivity. Step 5. Sometimes the attacker will cover their tracks once they're done to avoid being caught, making it harder to find them. This is often how social engineering works. Who is likely to be attacked? CEOs or executives. File servers. Employees. Website servers. Email servers.